Good morning, guys. So today we are having a look in maths at multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. So first thing you're going to need before we do anything, if I stop sharing and I get my screen up, you're going to need a place value grid. So if we make one of those together, you have your hundreds, thousands, you've got your 10,000s, you've got your thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so you've got all those different columns needed in your place value grid. So start off by creating one of those. Hopefully you guys can do a ruler. I know I've done it a bit quick. Do it nice and neat with the ruler. And then if I go back to showing my screen, we can find the first question. So when we multiply and divide by 10, 100 and 1000, we have to use these place value grids if we are getting stuck. So the first one is 463,500. So I'm going to put that into my grid. 463,500. And then I know when I'm dividing, my number's going to get smaller. So I'm going to move it towards my ones. Now, if I go back to my screen, we can see there where my mouse is, we're going to run out of space. We need to add a couple more columns onto our grid. We're going to add on to the end the tenths and hundredths. Okay, so in between the ones and the tenths always comes our decimal point. So I'll put our decimal point in there. We know the decimal point always stays in the same place and we move our numbers across it. When we move our numbers, if we're multiplying, our numbers move up that way. When we're dividing, our numbers move down that way. And we move them by the number of zeros in the number we're dividing or timesing by. So 10 has only got one zero. It's going to move all our numbers one jump. And because we're dividing by 10, they're all going to move one jump in that direction. So I have to work out whether it's mirroring. So that direction. So our 4 will move down, our 6 will move down, our 3, our 5, our 0, and our 0. So our answer is 46,350, and we don't need the extra 0 after the decimal point. It doesn't show us anything. So that is our answer. So your task today is to have a go at all the other questions on there. We've done number 1 together, all the way up to number 18. Okay, using that place value grid, move the numbers back and forth depending on whether you're timesing or dividing and the number of zeros in the question. All right, good luck, guys. I'll see you later.